Hello and welcome to tutorial 89. I was asked by a client how one would use drawing tools to draw symbols on a chart. So that's what I want to demonstrate in this tutorial. If you're looking at this on YouTube or somewhere else, then please go to markplex.com where you will find many other tutorials and programs. You can also sign up for our email list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just create a very simple, I've already created it, applied it to the chart, but what I'm going to do is just go back and start from scratch. I'm going to change the chart back to how it was set up before, and then I'm going to create a very, very simple program. Okay, so we're in the TradeStation development environment, and what I'm going to do is just create a very simple CCI cross type program. So I'm going to have value1 equals CCI with a length of 14 and value 2 equals CCI with a length of 9, like so. And then I'm going to say if value 2 crosses above value 1, then we're going to draw some text, and I'm just going to keep this simple start with. We're going to say value 3 is equal to text underscore new date time low, and then we're just going to put in just the letter U like so, and we're going to change the color of that in a moment, but let's just set up the similar situation when it crosses under. So we're going to say if value 2 crosses under value 1, then we'll make that value 4 and we'll make that D. Okay, now we're just going to change the color. Now the way we change the color is we just go text set color value 3. You can make that green. Now the only problem with that is this part of this value 3 will only draw the text if a condition has occurred. So what will happen towards the beginning of the chart is we would be trying to set, that should be value 3 by the way, we'd be trying to set the color of something that doesn't exist. So we need to just check it exists first. So we do that by going text underscore exist and the number we're looking for, value 3. If it exists, then text set color, and we're going to make it green. And similarly I'm going to just do the same for the next one, except in this case it's not value 3 anymore, it's value 4, and this is value 4 here. Now as I said, I've changed the chart back to more or less what it was originally, so now we can just see we've got these letters. Oh, and I just need to change the color here, that should be red. So again, let's just verify that by pressing F3 and go back to the chart. We can see we've got these letters on the chart. Now what if we wanted to have symbols? Well, we can do that by opening up the character map, which I've already got opened up here. You could probably find that on your computer by going File, bottom left, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and then Character Map, and you've got quite a few to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one here, which is a downward arrow, and I've chosen the Wingdings font. I'm going to copy that, or I'm going to click copy there, go back to the development environment, and I'm going to replace this D. I'm just going to go Control V. Now it's giving us a E cube, but just don't worry about that for the moment, because we're going to go back now, and I'm going to clear that, backspace, and let's see if we can find another. So let's get an upward arrow. I'm going to select it, going to copy it, go back to the development environment, and I'm going to replace the U with this E acute. Okay, so I'm going to verify this again by pressing F3, and if we go back to the chart now, we're going to see that we've got E's and E acutes, which is not terribly useful, but we can now change that, and we do that by right clicking on that particular letter, or any letter, doesn't matter which. Here we need to say no. It's asking us, this drawing object was added by an analysis technique. Do you want to format the analysis technique? No, we don't. And now we're going to change the font, and we've been looking in the character map at the wingdings. You could use any of these that are available to you, and you probably have some different fonts than I do. I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to set as default. I'm going to say OK, and you'll see now that the one we've just changed, that has changed. If we want the rest to change, I'm going to do Control R, and you'll now see that we've got those symbols appearing on the chart. Now, I had another chart open here, and this is just set to another font, and if I go Control R, you'll see that those letters are going to stay exactly the same. However, if I were to go to another workspace, open a new window, just a chart analysis window, doesn't matter which, and going to insert the show me, tutorial 89, like so. You'll notice that these symbols have started, that particular font has been selected on this new chart, which was created after the time that we changed the font. So this works well. The only problem is once you've made that change, you're going to be getting this symbol appearing, or rather the font, the typeface appearing for other charts, which may not be appropriate, particularly if you use text in the chart.